Hello, today we will guide you through how to insert image in Sejda PDF Editor. To begin, open Sejda in your web browser. Sejda is an online tool designed to help with a variety of PDF tasks, including editing existing PDF files directly in your browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look over the available options so you can easily find the editing tool you need. From the main page, click on the option labeled Edit a PDF document. This is the feature that allows you to make changes to an existing PDF, and it is available for free. Selecting this option will take you to the PDF Editor page, where you can start by uploading the file you want to work on. Next, click Upload PDF File. This will open your computer's file browser so you can locate the PDF you want to edit. Browse to the same PDF file you plan to update, select it, and then confirm the upload. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish loading completely. Once the PDF opens in the editor, you'll be ready to insert your image. Look for the Image tool and click on it. This tool is specifically used for placing pictures into your PDF, which can be useful for adding logos, signatures, illustrations, or other visual elements. After selecting the image option, click on New Image. This tells Sejda that you want to add a new picture file into the document rather than work with an existing image already placed in the PDF. A file browser will appear again. From here, browse for the image you want to insert. Select your sample image, then click Open. Sejda will place the image into the PDF so you can position it where you need it. If necessary, take care when choosing the image file so it's easy to identify and suitable for your document. At this stage, your image should now be added to the PDF inside Sejda PDF Editor. Make sure the document has fully loaded before adding the image, as this helps avoid delays or misclicks during editing. It's also a good idea to confirm you selected the correct PDF and the correct image before moving forward. And that's how to insert an image in Sejda PDF Editor.